Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is treachery. It's pronounced treachery, and it's spelt Treachery. Think T, then the word reach, and then ery, treachery. The word treachery is a noun. Treachery means the betrayal of someone's trust. For example, if your friend promised you something and then broke that promise, that would be treachery. There are many instances of treachery throughout history. For example, the Roman Emperor Julius Caesar was stabbed to death by 40 senators, many of whom were once his friends. The ultimate TV treachery takes place in Disney's The Lion King. Mufasa and Scar are brothers, but Scar is intensely jealous that his brother is the king. So he betrays him and pushes him off the cliff to his death. This is an act of treachery, as he betrays the trust of his brother. This is also similar to Hans's betrayal of Anna in Frozen, when he leaves her to die and tries to take over her kingdom. The word treachery comes from the old French word tricher, which means to cheat. Treachery is the cheating or betrayal of trust. Let's recap. Treachery is defined as the betrayal of trust through deceptive action or nature. Treachery's synonyms include betrayal, duplicity, deceitfulness, deception, backstabbing, and untrustworthiness. Antonyms include loyalty, faithfulness, allegiance, and fidelity. Have a treachery-free day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.